Hello, today in front of me I have Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and in this video we will show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the Settings app. Here go for the Apps category, Default Apps section. Here choose Browser app, and all that it's left to do is to select Opera, and that will effectively mean that you have successfully set it as the default app for browsing. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application, so let's go ahead and open it. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar picture, then on this gear icon that stands for Settings. Scroll down for a little, find the default browser section, click on it, choose Next, select Opera, and decide to set it as default, just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.